Tianjin Richpeace AI Company Limited, its predecessor Tianjin Richpeace Computer and Machinery Company Limited, joined SG Group 600843 in August 2018 with a registered capital of 80 million yuan and 719 employees. Located in Tianjin Baodi Economic Development Zone, it was put into operation in 2006 with a total investment of 180 million yuan, covering an area of 75,500 square meters and building area of 43,000 square meters. Richpeace is a national high-tech enterprise holding 6 core technologies of software, computer, electronic control, machinery, laser, and intelligence. It is also a national intellectual property advantage enterprise with 487 technology patents and 37 software copyrights. Richpeace is a world-renowned brand. It has been registered in more than 60 countries around the world and has got the general registration in China. The company has passed the ISO9001 Quality Management System certification. His quality policy is manufacturing the world's advanced products, providing customer satisfaction services, continuously improving the management system, and continuously improving product quality. Richpeace all products have passed CE safety certification. Richpeace products have covered 2 major areas of cutting and sewing, including 8 series of products: CAD software, CAD hardware, CAM equipment, laser cutting machine, sewing machine, embroidery machine, quilting machine, and computer electronic control. Richpeace has 11 products research institutes and 5 manufacturing branch factories. Research Institute 101, Arm type and arm bridge type automatic sewing machine, including single head arm type sewing machine, automatic 360-degree rotating single needle sewing machine, automatic single needle universal rotating sewing machine, automatic tufting bar tacking machine, automatic mirror head sewing machine, 2 heads arm type automatic sewing machine, arm type twin color automatic sewing machine, single head sewing machine with auto loader, 360-degree automatic sewing machine with auto loader, super heavy material sewing machine, etc. Research Institute 102, computerized embroidery machinery. Since 1992, Richpeace has been on his perseverance developing and innovating in the field of computerized embroidery equipment manufacturing. Each year, Richpeace will launch new varieties, fully adopting independent intellectual property rights, covering all types of products in the entire embroidery industry, and won many honors such as Tianjin Famous Brand Products, National Torch Program Industry Demonstration Project, and China Patent Excellence Award. Richpeace continues to innovate in the field of embroidery equipment manufacturing and already launched computerized precise flat embroidery machine, computerized lace embroidery machine, computerized cap tubular embroidery machine, computerized chain stitch chenille embroidery machine, computerized mixed coiling embroidery machine, computerized rhinestone embroidery machine, computerized mixed coiling and chenille embroidery machine, 5-in-1 embroidery machine, computerized tuft stitch embroidery machine, computerized perforation sewing embroidery machine. Can also add a full range of devices such as sequins, laser, boring, intelligent beads, cording embroidery. Research Institute 103, curly quilting and quilt automatic production line equipment. Products include multi-needle high-speed rotary hook quilting machine series, high-speed cutting machine, straight-line sleeping bag sewing machine, automatic 4-side edge sewing machine, automatic 4-side tape binding machine, automatic 4-side overlock sewing machine, Richpeace self-developed quilt binding automatic production line, quilt overlock sewing automatic production line, and the Comforter production line have further promoted the transformation and upgrading of the industry from standalone production to automated production. At the same time, Richpeace can provide customers with more customized solutions by integrating production advantage of its software, electronic control, and mechanical integration. Research Institute 104, Intelligent CAD Hardware. Following 1998, Richpeace Garment CAD software was fully promoted at domestic and abroad. In 2002, Richpeace began to enter the field of equipment manufacturing. Products include photographing digitizer, high-speed magic inkjet plotter, vertical inkjet cutting plotter, flatbed inkjet cutting plotter, computerized template cutting machine, automatic sheet milling, computerized pinhole pattern poking machine, auto ultrasonic bonding machine. In order to improve the garment pattern design technology in the apparel industry and team establishing of the high-skilled talents, Richpeace has continuously supported the Pattern Design and Technology Competition in the National Vocational College Skills Competition since 2007. And since 2013, Richpeace has been supporting exclusively the National Top 10 Pattern Maker Competition. Research Institute 105. Mainly research and development of non-standard CAM equipment. Since 2000, in response to market demand, Richpeace has entered the field of automatic spreading and computer cutting equipment manufacturing. Products include woven knitting spreading machine, tubular spreading machine, Hometextile automatic spreading machine, airbag special purpose spreading machine, Automotive interior special purpose spreading machine, 1 cm auto cutter, 6 cm multi-layer auto cutter, and multifunction large area equipment. Richpeace continuously innovates the new technologies to meet the growing market demands. Research Institute 106. Laser cutting machinery. Products include various types of laser marking, engraving cutting machine, Richpeace big size laser cutting machine, Richpeace camera-oriented logo laser cutting system, Richpeace laser cutting machine for automotive interiors, Richpeace laser cutting machine for airbag, Richpeace laser bridge system for embroidery machines. Research Institute 107. Computerized wire stitching and taping equipment. Products include automotive seat and steering wheel heating wiring equipment, thick heating wire stitching equipment for electric heating blankets and healthcare products, functional clothing wire stitching equipment, carbon fire wire stitching equipment, wire stitching machine for shoes upper forming, and automatic taping equipment. 60% of the world's automatic heating seat wire stitching equipment comes from Richpeace. Research Institute 108. Panoramic sunroof sunshade automatic production line equipment, wind power automatic sewing equipment, and special non-standard customized equipment. Applications include the sewing of automotive sunroof sunshades, car seats, automotive interiors, airbags, instrument panels, and other flexible materials, and new energy wind power automatic sewing equipment. Automatic panoramic sunroof intelligent complete sets of equipment won the first prize of the 2017 China National Light Industry Council Science and Technology Progress Award. Research Institute 109. Large-size bridge-type sewing equipment. Hot-selling products include multi-head sewing machine, non-stop sewing machine, rotating head non-stop sewing machine, precision sewing machine, rotating head precision sewing machine, twin color sewing machine, multi-head sleeping bag sewing machine, multi-head tufting machine, perforation sewing machine, cutting sewing machine. The non-stop automatic sewing machine won the first prize of the 2015 SISMA Excellent Theme Exhibit. Research Institute 111. Computerized multi-needle quilting equipment. Main products include computerized quilting and embroidery machine, multi-needle shuttle quilting machine, multi-needle chain stitch quilting machine. Research Institute 112. Flat quilting equipment. Main products include single needle frame type quilting machine, automatic continuous single needle quilting machine, double saddle frame single needle quilting machine. Branch Factory 201 automatic garment sewing machine. This is Richpeace demonstration factory for precision and high-quality mass production. The main products include 1200 by 800, 13 by 900, 900 by 600 3 standard models automatic template sewing machine and laser cutting automatic sewing machine. The fully automatic template sewing machine won the title of Tianjin Famous Brand Product in 2015 to 2018, the first prize of the 2015 Excellent Patent Award for Sewing Machinery Industry. It is Tianjin's Sunday Punch product, Brand Factory 205, the General Woven and Knitting Automatic Spreading Machine and Computer Auto Cutter. This is also Richpeace Demonstration Factory of Precision and Mass Production. The super cost performance, comprehensive functional configuration, and excellent machine performance have been recognized by domestic and foreign customers, and sales performance has increased year by year. CAM Software R&D Center, member of Tianjin Software Industry Association and Tianjin High-Tech Enterprise. His products have completely independent intellectual property rights. His responsibility is to use software high-tech to transform and upgrade traditional industries and constantly pursue innovation. CAD Software R&D Center, committed to the research and development, production, sales, and technical support of textile, garment, and home textile CAD software. He is the developer, supplier, and service provider of the digital equipment industry in China's textile and garment industry. Richpeace series software products have covered more than 10 types of applications, providing comprehensive and mature application solutions for the design and layout of textile, garment, and home textile industries. Mechanical processing plant, mainly engaged in the customization of mechanical parts and large-scale stand for textile and garment machinery, especially having the advantage in the processing of heavy machinery and equipment. The company has nearly 100 sets of CNC wire cutting machine, band sawing machine, large lathe, CNC lathe, drilling machine, machining center, gantry milling machine, bending machine, etc. Can undertake cutting, turning, drilling, machining center, milling, and sheet metal process. Import and export service. Tianjin Baofu Service Company Limited, providing logistics service to Richpeace Group, such as logistics, property, cleaning, security, catering, and traveling services. Richpeace has a complete sales and service network. His users are spread across more than 100 countries in the 3 major industries of wear, live, and travel. More than 10 branches and offices have been established in domestic and abroad. Every year, Richpeace will participate in more than 40 professional exhibitions. It has become a famous brand at home and abroad. Richpeace 4 development strategies: innovation, brand, segmentation, and supreme product. Richpeace vision, dedicated to cutting plus sewing, the 2 technologies of soft material industry to realize flexible manufacturing. By supplying software, computer, electric control, devices, accessories, whole machines, customized machine, and production lines to customers. Innovating and promoting manufacturing capacity of traditional industry to realize targets of computerized design, automatic production, and intelligent management. His final target is to be a high-level and worldwide equipment supplier for cutting plus sewing industry 4.0. Cutting and sewing all his life. Never give up, never complain. Stay true to the mission, pioneering and innovative, down to earth, and keep forward.